Imagine the aroma of freshly baked pizza wafting through your backyard, the crust perfectly crisp, the cheese bubbling, and a smoky wood-fired flavor that rivals your favorite pizzeria. This Pizza Oven Outdoor 12-inch wood-fired pizza oven transforms this dream into reality, bringing restaurant-quality pizza to your home. This portable stainless steel pellet pizza stove is a game-changer for outdoor cooking enthusiasts, solving common cooking challenges while delivering versatility, convenience, and mouth-watering results. Whether you're hosting a family party or craving a gourmet meal under the stars, this pizza oven elevates your culinary game. Solving common cooking problems. Outdoor cooking can be a hassle. Uneven heat, lackluster flavors, and bulky equipment often dampen the experience. The 12-inch wood-fired pizza oven tackles these pain points head-on. Inconsistent heat. The built-in thermometer ensures precise temperature control, hitting 662 degrees Fahrenheit, 350 degrees Celsius for perfect pizza baking without guesswork. Flavorless results. Hardwood pellets deliver a rich, smoky flavor that gas grills can't match, infusing every bite with authentic wood-fired taste. Cumbersome equipment. Its lightweight 32-pound design and folding legs make it ultra-portable, ideal for backyard, camping, or tailgating. Limited menu options. Beyond pizza, this multi-function oven roasts steaks, lamb chops, chicken wings, and vegetables, expanding your outdoor cooking repertoire. Why this pizza oven stands out. The Pizza Oven Outdoor 12-inch wood-fired pellet stove isn't just another outdoor appliance. It's a lifestyle upgrade. Here's why it's a must-have for pizza lovers and outdoor chefs. Authentic wood-fired flavor, hardwood pellets provide a consistent burn, delivering that coveted smoky taste that elevates pizzas, meats, and veggies. Unlike gas grills, this oven infuses every dish with a rustic, pizzeria-style flavor. Built-in thermometer for precision, no need for extra tools. The integrated thermometer displays when the oven hits 662 degrees Fahrenheit, ensuring your pizza cooks evenly with a crispy crust and perfectly melted cheese. Ultra-portable design, weighing just 32 pounds with foldable legs and a detachable chimney, this stainless steel pizza oven is easy to transport and store, making it perfect for backyard barbecues, camping trips, or tailgating parties. Multifunction versatility. This isn't a one-trick pony. From Neapolitan pizzas to sizzling steaks and roasted vegetables, the oven's high heat and even cooking surface unlock endless culinary possibilities. Durable stainless steel build. Crafted from high-quality stainless steel with insulated lining, this oven resists corrosion and withstands extreme heat, ensuring years of reliable performance. Quick cooking times, preheat in just 15 minutes, and cook a 12-inch pizza in 60-90 seconds, making it ideal for feeding hungry crowds at family gatherings or parties.
Benefits that make a difference.
The 12-inch wood-fired pizza oven offers tangible benefits that enhance your cooking experience and deliver exceptional results. Restaurant-quality results at home. Achieve crispy crusts, bubbly cheese, and smoky flavors that rival professional pizzerias, all from your backyard. Time-saving efficiency. Rapid preheating and fast cooking times let you serve gourmet meals quickly, perfect for busy hosts or spontaneous gatherings. Portable convenience. Its lightweight, foldable design makes it easy to take your pizza oven anywhere, from picnics to campsites without sacrificing performance. Tips for getting the most out of your pizza oven. Preheat properly. Let the oven heat for 15-20 minutes until the stone reaches 662 degrees Fahrenheit for best results. Use quality pellets. Opt for 100% hardwood pellets for consistent heat and authentic smoky flavor. Rotate pizzas. Turn your pizza every 15-20 seconds for even cooking, especially for thicker crusts. Experiment freely. Try grilling meats or roasting veggies to maximize the oven's multifunction capabilities. Clean regularly. Remove ash from the firebox after each use to maintain performance and ease cleanup. Final verdict: elevate your outdoor cooking game. The Pizza Oven Outdoor 12-inch wood-fired pellet stove is a must-have for anyone who loves authentic pizza and versatile outdoor cooking. Its portable design, built-in thermometer, and multifunction capabilities make it a standout choice for families, campers, and party hosts. With rapid cooking times and unbeatable smoky flavor, it solves the challenges of bland, unevenly cooked food while offering endless culinary possibilities. Ready to transform your backyard into a gourmet pizzeria? Click the link in the description below to see the full product specifications and start cooking like a pro. If you enjoyed this review, like the video and subscribe to our channel for more in-depth reviews.